That's part 3 in this video. I'm doing 3756 of which this is part 3 in the fireworks. Part 2 of fireworks, sorry. Part 1 that was about the prep. Wow, look at that, it's perfect. Explode the pea heat. Well, explode the lava, yes. Right, look at that. Did we see that on camera? Comment below if I missed any. Well, I thought it was making like a swirl fireworks because of how nice effective. Oh, let's making it. I think if I was ready, we've got a lot for it with this fireworks. Oh, it looks like you can see it. My camera's for about 20 seconds later. You must have seen that, and anyone who sees that, just press it. My camera's about blurry because my hands were shaking. What's that? What is that gonna do? What is that gonna do now? It's black like stars, it looks like stars. Wow. Pure heat. Nice. That's a minute and 17 seconds being passed in the clock. We just... Right. I need to get a big bang for this. Subscribe before the loud one goes off. Right, still we just subscribe right now. There, perfect timing. So 12 seconds later. Whoa, look at that! Because my camera's a bit blurry, really. Because my hands are shaking because my hands are... Whoa, right. Let's get heated up. Better like by fireworks. Whoa, it's gonna blind so quick. Oh, I've just seen it. Apologise for that. For the bit, because my cameras are quite... Guys, see this again. I was put down the timeline when I missed it. Put down the comment, that was 2 minutes and 29 seconds that was. I showed you 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Apologise for that green massive fireworks on the sky. Apologise for that. Been a nice one. Where did that one go? That was 2 minutes 54 about there. About the footage. Wow, that's the loudest bang ever. Right, looking good. Did anyone have seen a fireworks going off at daytime at Pittodrie? I must have seen it. And not sure when that was. I think that was over to you. Look at that. Right, so it's about there, 3 minutes and 35. Subscribe for another video.